Select Download Tours, and if you've got the Pinpoint Eye app, select Login as a user. Just enter your Pinpoint Eye credentials, and then you're logged in. Just scroll down now until you get to the Download Tours area. Select UK and then National Trust to get the National Trust lists, and here all the regions of the National Trust are displayed. We've selected the Somerset, Wiltshire and Gloucestershire region, and if you click the share option, you get it as an in-app share, and the message here tells you to look for the red marker in the top right, but that's on the location screen. There it is. Click the red marker and then click the tick to accept. Then go into the Sent to Me folder. There it is. Click the three-dot menu, click Transfer to My Lists, go to My Lists, and there you have it. If you scroll down the list, you see the distances on the right. They are the distance from your current location. But what we're going to do next is select an individual location. We're going to select Avebury, click the three-dot menu, click the hyperlink option, click hyperlink, and that takes us to the National Trust website for Avebury, where we can check for opening times. Next, we click the description for Avebury, and that gives us instant pinpoint navigation straight to the Avebury car park in this instance. If there's a car park available, that's where it will take you. We're now going to select Map View from the main menu, and the map pointers are all the National Trust locations for this region. Here we can see Avebury again, but we're going to click a map pointer near Chippenham, Laycock, click the description, and it will take you to the National Trust website for Laycock, where you can check for opening times. And then the same map pointer has also got a directions link. Click the directions link and you get instant pinpoint navigation to the car park for Laycock. If we look up to the right there, we can see Laycock Abbey. Next, we're going to look at sharing for an individual location. We'll look at Avebury again. Click the three-dot menu and click Share. Now, the options here are yes or no. If you select yes, then it's an in-app share. Select no, and then you can share it as a text message. In this case, we're using WhatsApp, but you can use your preferred messaging app. Click the hyperlink, takes you to the website, check for opening times, and the map URL gives you instant pinpoint navigation. From the main menu, you can also share the entire list, either in-app or as a PDF. But what we're going to look at next is recording your holiday destinations. If you press the plus symbol to the right in the middle of the screen, you can create a new list. We're showing how we've created here our Athens tour. It's already been recorded, but this is how it starts. You record your first destination by searching for it. Here's the list in list view, and now we're going to look in map view. We started out in Athens and visited a few places there, starting with the Acropolis. So if you attach the hyperlink, you can book your tickets straight from the map. Went to a very nice beach there at Chania, and then the holiday was finished in on a lovely little island, Mykonos. And this works in the same way as a city break. When you add a new location, it always takes you back to your last safe place, so it allows you to move around. The last safe place that we saw on there was a restaurant, Remezzo. So when we add a new location, we can search for a new location, or we can, because it works in the same way as Google Maps, or we can search the map. And here, if we look to the right, we can see a spa, which is not far from the restaurant. So what would be a nice idea is if we spent some relaxing time at the spa, and then maybe finish off the day with a meal in the restaurant. So we're going to record this, and then it's just a case of traveling there. Now we're going to travel from the restaurant to see how far it is. So if we put in the start destination as the restaurant, we see it's just a 3-minute walk, which is perfect. So in this way we're planning our holiday as well as recording the holiday very nicely. So here we've navigated to it, and from the map we've got the website link. Copy it to the clipboard, and all you do then is, having copied it to the clipboard, you go back into the 3-dot menu, click the hyperlink box, simply put your finger in the box and paste in the link. It's linked now. Now we see how this list can be shared with friends and family. Click the 3-dot menu and the share option, and it brings up a list of your phone contacts. If their contact shows the word invite, that means they are not a Pinpoint Eye user, and an email is generated. Their email address will be inserted, otherwise you enter it yourself. Here is the email. Click the link on the email and the PDF is shown. If the description is highlighted in blue, it's linked to a website or a photo that's been uploaded to cloud storage. Here's the beach we went to, and the next one I think was an amphitheatre just outside of the Acropolis. It's a picture of one of the group on the holiday. Click the map URL and it shows exactly where she was standing when the photo was taken.